As indicated by our ongoing BITGERT cost forecast, the worth of BITGERT will expanded by 237.72%, coming to $0.00000907 by end of 2025. All specialized markers show that the ongoing opinion truly is negative, while the apprehension and veracity file in a real sense is perusing 9.13, which in every practical sense implies truly intense trepidation. Our BITGERT estimate: it's hazardous to sell BITGERT the present moment, which really is genuinely huge. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative opinion among BITGERT cost forecasts. See the specific BITGERT cost forecast underneath. You will know the amount BITGERT is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the sort of most recent 30 days, BITGERT has in a real sense diminished by 12.15%. Because of this, we can for the most part get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of June, the worth of BITGERT expanded by 114.62% and came to approach around $0.00000550. Right now, all markers sort of are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and veracity list in every practical sense shows 9.13 genuinely intense feelings of dread. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the perfect opportunity to sell BITGERT, especially at present. BITGERT is exchanging beneath the 200, genuinely straightforward, moving extremely normal. For the fundamentally most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA basically has shown a BITGERT selling signal. The cost of BITGERT truly is at present running beneath the 50-day basic moving kind of normal SMA, and it explicitly shows a sell signal in an unobtrusive manner. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will truly hit $0.00000392 toward the finish of December, or so they thought. By December 2023-2024, BITGERT's momentary 50-day SMA truly shows a $0.00000285 in every practical sense large way. The general strength record, RSI, force oscillator, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is presently at her Civilu. This demonstrates that the BRISE market is in a nonpartisan position. BITGERT, BRISE, value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, BITGERT came to $0.00000378, when it for the most part dipped under $0.00000291. Interestingly, since January 2021, which is genuinely huge. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, BITGERT is headed to passing the $0.00000563 mark before the current year is over, which is genuinely huge. Before $0.00000563, it might fundamentally break its characteristic of $0.0000040400 and arrive at in an unpretentious manner. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, BITGERT will break its past all-time high of $0.0000040400 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00000526 and $0.00000563 soon. At this point, on 24 June 2023, BITGERT sort of is exchanging at $0.0000000256, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 1.33 M, and it makes number 192 cash in the fundamentally entire crypto world. BITGERT Value Forecast 2024. There is plausible that BITGERT can get through the $0.00000652 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The fundamentally the least BITGERT cost will be between $0.000000550 to $0.000000652, and the most probable BITGERT cost will be truly consistent at around $0.000000629. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite BITGERT's wild swings in esteem, and the debate encompassing its naturally disagreeable energy utilization, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that BITGERT will basically reach $0.000000652 toward the finish of 2024, or by and large mid-2024, which is genuinely critical. BITGERT Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists sort of anticipate that BRISE will basically begin the year at $0.000000756 and exchange around $0.000000907. As indicated by their expectations, this would be incredibly high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. BITGERT Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that BITGERT 2026 value forecast will extremely twofold in cost, yet it in a real sense is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $0.000000117 level. BITGERT is anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed high of $0.000000116 or $0.000000117 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of BITGERT. In an unobtrusive manner, BITGERT Value Expectation 2027 BITGERT Value Forecast, or BRISE, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it especially has the essentially potential to generally accomplish new highs, as far as price tags and market cap, which truly is genuinely huge. BITGERT's cost is supposed to outperform $0.000000117 in 2027. It has been anticipated that BITGERT will arrive at the most extreme cost of $0.000000117, and the base cost is supposed to in every practical sense be around $0.000000986 in the following a long time from 2027. BITGERT Conjecture 2028 Market examiners and specialists explicitly say that BITGERT Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, BITGERT sort of is supposed to cross a value level of $0.000000137 in 2028. In